Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Spring has sprung. We've got some fresh stuff coming up. All our perennials are coming back. So we are going to take a minute and prune some of them. We're going to start off with our corabels. So as you can see, we've got the purple corabels here. And in the middle, we've got this new growth. It's very purple, it's healthy. And on the bottom here, we've got all this crunchy dead stuff. So what we're going to do, essentially, is leave all this here in the middle. We're going to take our pruning shears and we are going to prune. You could do this by hand, I just don't want to risk pulling. So we're going to take the shears and we're going to go around it here. So just for reference, you're just going to come in and chop off all this excess. And then we've got it here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed here. And just, like I said, pruning off the bottom. And then eventually I will just do all of this off camera, prune it all around, and then show you kind of what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, there's not a whole lot left, just all the new growth, but that's going to redirect the energy from the plant to all the dead stuff into the new growth, and it should be good in the next couple weeks, nice and bushy and ready to start flowering. Next we'll do the hydrangeas. See you in a minute. Bye.